Okay, this is a very disturbing subject, and to disturb you even more, I shall be playing a video which is extremely disturbing. Goes on for 1 minute and 20 seconds, and it's the commuters in a panic. So the headline tells us that a man dressed as the Joker, as in the Batman's the Joker, stabs at least 17 people on a Tokyo commuter train. So I'll have a look at the article, then I'm going to play the very disturbing video. A knife-wielding man dressed as the Joker went on a crazed rampage aboard a Tokyo commuter train on Sunday, stabbing at least 17 people and starting a fire before finally being taken into custody. The unidentified attacker brandished a knife and began slashing passengers aboard the crowded Keio train near the Kokurio station while wearing the Batman villain's costume. Here's a quote from a witness. "I thought it was a Halloween stunt. Then I saw a man walking this way, slowly waving a long knife. He said the knife was covered in blood. Passengers scrambled to escape, some climbing through train windows and others fleeing to other cars on the train. As smoke began to fill the train after the suspect poured a flammable liquid and set it on fire." So here's a quick tweet video. The alleged attacker in Japan, in a Joker costume, sitting and casually smoking after stabbing and spraying hydrochloric acid on passengers on a train in Tokyo. Eerily calm, but not so much the passengers, who are naturally panicking. So let's watch this extremely disturbing video. It goes on for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So these are the passengers in the train in Tokyo that have just realized that there's a mad hacker going around stabbing lots of people. So yeah, I mean, that strikes me as a domestic terrorism act. Remind me not to catch a subway in the near future. There's that story. Remember to like and subscribe.